You know, water damage can cost the average homeowner thousands of dollars. I've done it before, but you know what? This little plastic puck, it's less than the cost of a pizza night. And this is the METAK Water Leak Detector. It's basically an alarm for your pipes. It's going to come to you in a box just like this. And here's everything you get in the box. You get 5 water leak detectors, user manual, packs of AAA batteries, and this little guitar pick looking thing which helps you to take off the back cover and install the batteries. While we're at it, let me show you the magic of these water leak detectors. See these little metal looking tips? There's 4 of them. When water touches those, the alarm goes off. So that is how these things work. Here's what they look like inside with the batteries installed. Now keep in mind, these are plastic. You don't want to put these in high foot traffic areas where someone would step on it and crush it. You want to tuck these behind things and keep them out of harm's way. Now I know you're probably thinking of places where you can use these little water leak detectors. This is under my kitchen sink. I've got a little bowl of water there. We're going to test the sound. I want to hear it with the cabinet shut and the alarm going off. All right, I'm by myself. I got to do this by myself. So here we go. Yep. That's loud. That is loud. Now here's another place that I'm going to put it. I'm going to put it behind my washing machine. If I had to say the top 3 spots to put one of these water leak detectors would be your washing machine, your water heater, and under your sink. Now here's another place I'm definitely going to put it behind my water heater. Now that's a new water heater, but I don't care. I'm not going to trust it. I'm definitely going to put one of these water leak detectors. Well, actually one more place as well, since I have 5 of these detectors. I'm going to put one behind my refrigerator because I've got an ice maker line back there. Now that is one cool thing about these METACs. You get 5 in a pack, so go crazy. Put them everywhere. Okay, these are simple. They're easy to set up. You don't need Wi-Fi or anything like that. They're loud. That's the main thing. You can be in another room or sleeping, and if one of these alarms goes off, you're going to wake up, believe me. So yeah, I actually do recommend them. I've got them all in my house now. So I'm Steve, and I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.